Igbo Lesson 1.1a. Welcome to the program. We are going to learn how to speak the Igbo language. In Igbo language, you have the letters in the alphabets that are also contained in the regular English alphabets. Then you have the special Igbo letters that are contained only in the Igbo alphabets. But first, let's start with the regular English alphabets. We go.
A, B, C. Go ahead.
Now, listen to how the letters of the regular alphabet are pronounced in the Igbo alphabet.
A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z.
No Q or X in Igbo alphabet. Now, the special Igbo letters that are contained in the Igbo alphabet, like this.
Chi, Bwe, Re, Gwe, E, Be, We, Nge, Nwe, Nye, O, Shi, O. Chi, Bwe, Re, Gwe, E, Be, We, Nge, Nwe, Nye, O, Shi, O.
Those are the special Igbo letters in the Igbo alphabets.
Chi,
CH is pronounced chi, chi.
chi, chi,
Chukwu or Chineke. Chukwu or Chineke, God. Chukwu or Chineke, God.
chi, 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 chi. Chinelo, Chinelo.
Chi, that's abbreviation for Chinelo. Chinelo. Chinelo.
Chi, chi.
Afam bụ Chinelo. My name is Chinelo. Afam bụ Chinelo. My name is Chinelo. Afam bụ Chinelo, chi Chinelo. Afam bụ Chinelo, chi Chinelo. Afam bụ Chinelo, chi Chinelo. Afam bụ Ewo. Ewo. Chinelo. Nne m na-akpọ m
Chi Chinelo.
Afam bụ Chinelo. My name is Chinelo. Afam bụ Chinelo, chi Chinelo. Afam bụ Chinelo, chi Chinelo. Afam bụ Chinelo, chi Chinelo.
Afam bụ Chinelo. My name is Chinelo. I want to hold off a minute. I want to hear you make that sentence. Let's go. Afam bụ Chinelo. I know you got it. Great.
Okay, let's move on. This is getting very interesting. Very, very interesting. Let me tell you something. By the end of this very program, you will be able to make sentences in Igbo.